Hello, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button somewhere over there. Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Yeah. Back in the she shop. Was I out of the she shop? I don't know. I'm here anyway. I've got a doom pile project. It's one of the many doom pile projects. Do you remember these coasters I picked up at the thrift store? They're wine inspired. I want to do some coasters. I've done them before. I need a scissor. Turn the light on too. Lights. That's better. I've done these before with these tiles. And I did them with the birds. I may do birds again. I don't know. But first things first, we're going to get this package open. That's the first thing. Oh, well, that's not horrible. Yeah, no, they kind of are. I thought that one's not so bad. But that's not so great. A big chunk out of it. Am I filling it or am I leaving the chunk out of it? And then we've got this one and corkscrew. So first things first, we're going to want to, I got to paint them. I got to paint them, let them dry. Because I do want to decoupage something over the top. I use one of my papers. One of my papers. The map. All right, let me think on that. But I do need to get it base coated. What color do I want to paint them? White. And I'm going to use this white. We've used it before. This was a sample of Pittsburgh paint that I got. And it's sort of like a gray white. Isn't it? Like, it's just it's an off-white. If I can open it. If I could open it. I got it! So far undefeated. It is not a true, like, bright white. It's kind of got a little, I don't know, a little something to it. So I think that's what I'm going to use to base coat these. And then we'll let them dry. To be honest, I think the thing that I'm loving about these is the color green that's on them. Hopefully this white, though, will cover up these corkscrews. Yeah. Might need 2 coats, but... I like the divots and stuff when you decoupage over the top. I think it kind of turns out cool. Why is this off balance, though? Why is this one off balance? I think there must be something on the because there's something on the table, Stacy. Shut up. I know sometimes I'm not, yeah, I'm just tired. I'm just tired. That covered pretty well, actually. We'll see. We'll see if I need to do a second coat. There seems to be some smearing. Is that a stamp that was on there? Do you see the black here? Was this a stamp? Did I just try and paint over ink? That's not going to be good. Huh. Well, we'll let it dry and see what happens. I can actually see the outline of that fancy corkscrew. Oh, no. Hmm. All right. Wait for that to dry. Okay, they are mostly dry. That one's not dry, but I think it's going to be okay. You can still see a little bit of the dark, but since we're decoupaging over it, I don't think that's going to be a problem. In person, it looks darker on the camera than it does in person. So I think we're okay. We're going to go with it. Okay, so the tiles are good and dry now. And I think what I'm going to do is I took out the map of the world picture. And you see how it's got map of the world, and then it's got this little thing down here, and then we've got North America, and then the European continent. I think I'm going to cut out 4 sections, including those elements, and then make each one a different part of the map. I thought about just laying the map down across all 4 and just like doing one continent, but then I went, no. So we're going to do it my way. We're gonna do it different. Let me get your face down. Okay, so like this is one square. It's got North America. And I thought the next square can be this, and then one down here. And then we'll do like part of Europe on the other one. And that's my thinking, and that's what we're gonna do. Let me grab scissors here. So those are our 4 sections. I wish these coasters had a little more detail in them, like the other ones that I got had more divots like this in there. That's what I find appealing about these tiles, is that they have holes in them. All right. Okay, so with the traditional method of decoupaging, the nice thing is you can kind of just get the paper really wet and get a torn edge, which is what I want here. So I don't want a perfectly neat cut edge. Okay. We're going to want to do this edge too, so this is garbage. Where's that hole? I want that hole to show. There it is. All right, so there's our North America coaster. And now I'll do map of the world coasters. We are definitely glazing these when this is all dry. All right, we got all the edges down, No, I don't. That one doesn't have its edges down. Lay down. Okay. Get that off the glue pile. We're gonna let this dry, and then we'll come back and we'll give the whole thing a wonderful vintage glaze. We're gonna do like a dark glaze, not the gray, the brown glaze, aging glaze over the top. And that way the white won't be like, white. But yeah, these are pretty now. I'm happy. Yay. I love this tile. I gotta get like just a box of this tile and just start making coasters. All right, they are dry. We've got our glaze here, and I'm going to cover all the surfaces and get those white spots especially. And this should blend it in, the white bits here, with the rest of the tile. Got a damp cloth in case I need it. Drippy damp cloth in case I need it. All right. This may be a little too damp. Okay. Too much water. Darn it. For real. I'm going to keep it on the edge here. And we're going to get it off most of this. All right, I'm gonna let that dry, and then we will give it a clear coat, a waterproof clear coat that's gonna let these, you know, be coasters and not have the design come up, because decoupage glue is not waterproof. It is water soluble. So we want to make sure to protect these, just so that the person who purchases them doesn't put their drinks on it and then go, what the heck? It's like completely falling apart. So I'm gonna let that dry, and then we'll come back and we'll clear coat them. Part of me thinks I should have taken the hairdryer brand deal, because I've just used a hairdryer on both the clear coat and the glaze for this. And it's dry. It dried like really super quick, and you can see it's added a shine to it. So I had used matte Mod Podge. But I'm really happy with how they came out. I love these tiles. I swear I have to find just like a box of them somewhere. I could go to the tile store and buy them. I know that. Aw, take their name off. It's no longer theirs. Go away. I'm not, no. Now they're not, they're Peony Lane Designs now. So I don't know who they were. To heck with them. But now I've got, oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, there we go. Clean up the edge a little bit. So I've got all my little sections, but they are not cured. They're dry to the touch. Dry enough for me to pick them up. So if you guys want to make some of these, I'm sure you can find these tiles anywhere, really any tile store. But yeah, the link for the paper is down below for this exact pattern, so you could copy these exactly. All right, thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more junkin' videos.